Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a SoundCloud account in just a few simple steps. First, open the SoundCloud app on your device. You'll see the option to create an account and log in on the main screen. Tap on Create an Account. Now, you have multiple sign-up options here. You can create your SoundCloud account using Google, Facebook, or Apple ID for faster registration. Or if you prefer, you can manually enter your email address and password. I'm going with the Google account option since it's the quickest method. Just tap your Continue with Google account. Now, select the Google account you want to create account with, then select Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your age and select your gender. This helps SoundCloud personalize your music streaming experience. Now tap on the cross icon at the top right. Wait a moment while your account is being set up. And that's it. Your SoundCloud account is now successfully created. That's how you set up SoundCloud and start discovering music. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.